Hello students, this is yours Madhubabu sir. From this video, I am going to explain the construction 3 of exercise 10.1 from AP State Board of class 7. The construction is construct triangle XYZ with measurements xy is equals to 3.5 centimeters, yz is equals to 5 centimeters, and zx is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Which type of triangle this? So here observe these sides. xy is 3.5 centimeters, yz is 5 centimeters, and zx is 3.5 centimeters. Here xy and zx are same, 3.5 centimeters. So other than yz is different from these two sides. So take yz as a base. Then we will get neat diagram. You can take xy is also base, but here yz, I preferred yz is equals to 5 centimeters. So draw a rough diagram now. I preferred yz as base, yz that is equals to 5 centimeters, and xy that is 3 so take as x 3.5 centimeters, and zx that is also 3.5 centimeters. So this is the rough diagram of given construction. Let us go to construct the original diagram. First take yz as base, that is 5 centimeters. So take a scale and keep a point at 0 like this, and keep another point at 5 centimeters. This is 5. So join these 2 points. So this is the line segment with length 5 centimeters. So take y, this vertices as yz. So the length of yz is 5 centimeters. Next, the length of xy is 3.5 centimeters. So take a scale and compass. Take the 3.5 centimeters with scale, with compass. Keep compass point on 0 like this. Keep pencil point on 3.5 centimeters. So this is the length of radius 3.5 centimeters. So take y as center. This 3.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. Same, zx is also 3.5 centimeters. So take z as the center. Same, this 3.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. So the both arcs intersect at x. Now you join xy and xz, and mark the measurements. Xy is 3.5 centimeters and xz is also 3.5 centimeters. So this is the construction of given triangle. Now steps of construction. The first point is draw a rough diagram of given triangle xy z and mark the measurements. The second point is draw a line segment yz is equals to 5 centimeters. Third point is draw an arc with y as center, 3.5 centimeters as the radius. The fourth point is draw another arc with center z and radius 3.5 centimeters, and this arc intersects the previous arc at x. Now in the fifth step, join xy and xz. Therefore, the required triangle XYZ is constructed. The solution is not finished. In this question, already given one question, which type of triangle is this? Observe this triangle here. Two sides of the triangle are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So the given triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle since two sides are equal. This is since symbol. So the construction is over. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates and friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.